Let's have a brief discussion on the addition and subtraction of complex numbers in its polar form. From the discussion of the forms of complex numbers, I have told you that the polar form of complex numbers is best used in multiplication and division. So for this one, he will just demonstrate how to solve it using the general form of complex numbers in polar form. So let's say we have r sub 1 cosine of theta 1 plus I sine of theta 1 for the first complex number, and we will add that to a second complex number in its polar form, r sub 2 times cosine of theta 2 plus I sine of theta 2. So if you are going to add complex numbers in its polar form, you will distribute r sub 1 or the modulus and r sub 2 for two complex numbers. So this would be r sub 1 cosine of theta 1 plus r sub 1 sine of theta 1 times I. Distribute r2, r sub 2 cosine of theta 2 plus r sub 2 sine of 2 times I. Combining like terms, you will have r sub 1 cosine of theta sub 1 plus r sub 2 cosine of theta sub 2. For the imaginary part, this would be r sub 1 sine of theta 1 plus r sub 2 sine of theta 2. Multiply this by I. So there is no sense if you are going to create a formula for addition of complex numbers. Even if you try to use subtraction, r sub 1 cosine of theta 1 plus I sine of theta 1 minus r sub 2 times cosine of theta 2 plus I sine of theta 2. This would just be equal to r sub 1 cosine of theta 1 minus r sub 2 cosine of theta 2 plus r sub 1 sine of theta 1 minus r sub 2 sine of theta 2. Multiply this by I. Here are some examples for you to work on. If you have questions, you may use the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.